Welcome to you Animal Planet X. Watching video, and please like, share and subscribe. The fascinating world of kangaroos. Kangaroos, the iconic marsupials native to Australia, are among the most recognizable animals on the planet. With their unique anatomy, intriguing behaviors, and cultural significance, they have captured the imagination of people worldwide. This essay will explore the biology, behavior, social structures, cultural importance, and conservation status of kangaroos, showcasing why they are such fascinating creatures. Biological characteristics. Kangaroos belong to the family Macropodidae, meaning bigfoot. This family includes over 50 species, but the most well-known are the red kangaroo, the eastern grey kangaroo, and the western grey kangaroo. The red kangaroo, Macropus rufus, is the largest of the species, standing up to 8 feet tall when fully extended and weighing between 150 to 200 pounds. Their powerful hind legs enable them to travel great distances with ease. A single bound can cover up to 30 feet, and they can reach speeds of over 35 miles per hour. This remarkable ability to hop efficiently allows kangaroos to navigate the vast and often arid landscapes of Australia. Kangaroo anatomy is uniquely suited for their environment. Their long, muscular tails serve multiple purposes, acting as a counterbalance during hopping and providing support when sitting or moving slowly. Their large, elongated ears enhance their hearing and assist in thermoregulation, helping them dissipate heat in the hot Australian climate. Kangaroos have a specialized digestive system, featuring a multi-chambered stomach similar to that of cows, which allows them to break down tough, fibrous plant materials, primarily grasses and leaves. The reproductive cycle of kangaroos is equally fascinating. After a gestation period of only 30 to 36 days, the tiny, undeveloped joey is born. Weighing less than an ounce, the joey instinctively crawls into its mother's pouch, where it will continue to develop and grow for several months. The pouch is a safe and nurturing environment, providing warmth and access to milk. The joey will remain in the pouch for about 6 to 8 months before beginning to venture outside, still nursing for several months afterward. Behavior and social structure. Kangaroos are primarily crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the early morning and late afternoon, avoiding the heat of midday. This behavior helps them conserve energy and reduces the risk of predation. They are social animals and typically live in groups known as mobs. These mobs usually consist of several females, their young, and a few dominant males. The social structure within a mob can be complex, with hierarchies established based on size and age. Dominant males often engage in physical displays and fights to assert their status, demonstrating strength and agility. Communication among kangaroos is diverse and intricate. They use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and foot thumping to convey messages. For example, soft grunts may indicate contentment or affection, while thumping their hind feet serves as a warning signal to others in the mob about potential threats, such as predators. This communication is vital for maintaining safety and cohesion within the group, as well as for nurturing relationships between mothers and their joeys. Kangaroo mothers exhibit remarkable parenting behaviors. After the joey emerges from the pouch, it begins to explore its surroundings, but will return to the pouch for nursing and safety. Mothers are known to be highly protective of their young, often using their powerful legs to fend off predators. As the joey grows, it gradually becomes more independent, learning essential survival skills by observing its mother's behaviors. Cultural significance. Kangaroos hold a profound cultural significance in Australia, symbolizing the nation's unique wildlife and natural heritage. They are often featured in Australian art, folklore, and mythology. Indigenous Australian cultures have revered kangaroos for thousands of years, incorporating them into their stories, art, and spiritual practices. Rock paintings depicting kangaroos can be found throughout Australia, showcasing their importance in Aboriginal culture. In modern Australia, kangaroos serve as national symbols, frequently appearing in tourism campaigns and representing the country's biodiversity. Their images grace everything from souvenirs to sporting team mascots, reinforcing their status as cultural icons. Additionally, kangaroos have made their mark on popular culture, appearing in films, cartoons, and literature, further endearing them to audiences around the globe. The kangaroo's status as a symbol extends beyond Australia. In various international contexts, kangaroos are used as mascots for environmental conservation efforts and wildlife protection campaigns, emphasizing their role in representing wildlife conservation globally. Their unique characteristics often spark interest and advocacy for the preservation of their habitats and the species that share them. Conservation status. Despite their cultural significance and ecological importance, kangaroos face numerous challenges in the wild. Habitat loss due to urban development, agriculture, and land clearing poses significant threats to their populations. As Australia's human population grows, the demand for land increases, leading to the fragmentation of natural habitats and diminished resources for kangaroos and other native species. Climate change further exacerbates these challenges. Rising temperatures, prolonged droughts, and altered rainfall patterns affect the availability of food and water sources, making survival increasingly difficult for kangaroo populations. Additionally, extreme weather events, such as bushfires, have devastating impacts on their habitats and food supply. In some regions, kangaroo populations are managed through regulated culling, a practice aimed at maintaining ecological balance and reducing competition for grazing land, particularly in agricultural areas. While this practice is controversial and raises ethical questions, proponents argue that it is necessary for sustainable land management. Various organizations and researchers advocate for humane practices and emphasize the importance of understanding kangaroo ecology to ensure effective population management. Conservation efforts are focused on habitat preservation and restoration, as well as public education about the importance of kangaroos in the ecosystem. Initiatives to rehabilitate areas of native vegetation and protect existing habitats are critical for the survival of these iconic marsupials. Additionally, organizations work to promote awareness of the ecological roles that kangaroos play, such as seed dispersal and maintaining grassland health, highlighting their significance beyond their cultural representation. Conclusion. Kangaroos are not merely symbols of Australia. They are remarkable creatures that embody the wonders of evolution and adaptation. Their unique biology, complex social structures, and cultural significance make them a vital part of Australia's identity. However, as they face increasing threats from habitat loss and climate change, understanding and supporting conservation efforts is essential. By appreciating the fascinating world of kangaroos, we can contribute to their protection and ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at these extraordinary animals. As we strive to coexist with wildlife, kangaroos remind us of the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity and the intricate connections that sustain life.